Little fun, Gilligan's Island theme song. Just sit right back and hear a tale of the faithful trip. Started from this tropic port aboard the tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailor man, the skipper brave and sure. My passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship spec down in the shore of